Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to forward calls Android style so you can stay connected even when you are away from your device. This process is quick and helpful for managing your incoming traffic. So now, let's get started. Step 1 requires you to open the phone app on your home screen, which is the primary tool you use for making calls and managing your cellular connection. Step 2 involves tapping on the three-dot icon or the gear icon located in the top corner to open your call settings menu. Step 3 is important because if you do not see the specific option immediately, you must click on Carrier Features to reveal the network-specific settings. Step 4 is where you will find and click on the call forwarding option, which is the gateway to redirecting your incoming mobile traffic. Step 5 asks you to select the Always Forward option, which ensures that every single incoming call is sent to your chosen secondary number. Step 6 is when you add the specific number you want to forward to, which can be typed in manually or selected directly from your existing contact list. Step 7 is the final action where you simply tap Turn On to activate the service and ensure your calls are successfully rerouted. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful mobile tips.